VASTFIRE flashlight weapons light. Zoomable MLOK flashlight compatible with MAGPUL handguards. The MLOK mount is angled, so it sits on the corner rather than on the side.
Alright guys, leave me a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this light. Hey, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, enjoy your journey. Until next time.
Alright guys, here's your word of encouragement for today. It comes out of 1 John 4:18. It says, God is love. When we take up permanent residence in a life of love, we live in God and God lives in us. This way, love has the run of the house and becomes at home and mature in us so that we are free of worry on Judgment Day. There is no room in love for fear. Well-formed love banishes all fear. In other words, perfect love casts out all fear. Since fear is crippling, a fearful life, fear of death, fear of judgment is one not yet fully formed in love. So fear not. God is love. Thanks for watching.